Behold the great Redeemer dies, a broken low to satisfy. He dies as a sacrifice for sin. He dies as a sacrifice for sin, that man may live and glory with. While guilty men his pains deride, they pierce his hands and feet and side, and with insulting scoffs and scorns, and with insulting scoffs and scorn, they crown his head with plaited thorns. Although in agony he hung, no murmuring words escape his tongue. His high commission to fulfill, his high commission to fulfill. He magnified his Father's will.